In this video, we'll be talking about potential energy from our work, power, and energy unit. Potential energy is stored energy that is able to do work later. And let's not hesitate, and let's get right into it. So the formula to calculate potential energy is EP equals mgh. And the EP stands for potential energy, the G stands for gravity, and the H stands for height, and the M stands for mass. So if we hop right into our question here, the question states, a worker lifts a crate 120 centimeters vertically. If the lift increases the gravitational potential energy by 97 joules, determine the mass of the crate. So that's our problem there. And what we need to figure out is the mass of the crate. So our potential energy we already know, which is 97 joules. And our gravity, we know, force of gravity, we know is 9.8 meters per second. Our height is 120 centimeters, which is 1.2 meters. And our mass, we don't know. That's what we need to determine. So in order to calculate this, we're going to use the formula that we just went over, which is EP equals mgh. Alright, so like I said, we know our EP, that's 97 joules. So we'll throw that in there. And our M, we don't quite know yet, that's what we're solving. So we're just going to leave that there. And our force of gravity, we should know, which is 9.8 meters per second. And then our height, we're going to use meters, which is 1.20 meters. Alright, so what we need to do to find out our mass is we need to get m by itself. And in order to do that, we're going to divide this side of the equation by 9.8 times 1.2. And what we do to one side of the equation, we do to the other. Nothing's changed. Alright, so if you whip that into your calculator, M should equal 8.2. And since it's mass, we're going to use kilograms here. So the mass of the crate is 8.2 kilograms. And that is an equation of potential energy.